Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you and explain to you how mobile hotspot works on Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, but it also works on Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra and S22 normal. So in order to get to our hotspot, we'll need to go to our settings, connections, mobile hotspot and tethering, and from here make sure that your mobile hotspot is enabled like that. Now to connect our other phone to this network, so let me place one right here. We'll need to know the password for the network and its name, and to see that we'll need to press on our mobile hotspot like that, and from here we can see the network name, so it's Galaxy S22 plus 55 CE, so we can see it here on our phone as well. I'm gonna press on that to connect, and now we'll need to enter the password, and the password is located right here. So let me type that. And our connection is established, and we can use the internet provided by this phone. So now let me explain you all of the settings for this mobile hotspot. So in this menu we can see connected devices, and that we have connected the other phone, so we can see its name right here, and other information like network name, password or band. Now if we press on configure, we'll be able to change the network name. So for example, let me change that to hard network. Go to the next step, and from here we'll be able to change the password, and it needs to be 8 digits. So let me just do it simple: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it's all 8 numbers. And in the middle we have security, and that's basically security certificate for your network, and you should always enable VPA2 or VPA3, because the other ones are easy to breach, and if you have one or VEP, make sure don't select that. The VPA2 is more preferred option. So let me just go with VPA3, and the next setting, band, and that's basically the speed of your network, and the best setting for it would be 5 GHz, but it will decrease its range but increase the speed. And if you change it to 4, it will increase its range but decrease the speed. But anyway, 5G is most preferred option right here. Now if we press on advanced, we can see even more settings here, and we can set mobile data limit, and that will limit the usage of your network on other devices. So if you type in 100 megabytes and press OK, other devices will be able to only use this data, and then they will be disconnected from the network. And if you press on it again, you can also set it to no limit like that. MAC address type, I would set it to phone MAC, and the turn off when the no device connected for, and here you can, like it said, you can set for how long the network will be connected. So let's just do it never timeout, because I want my network to be always on. And here we have hidden network. If you enable that, your devices connected to the network will still be connected, but the network will lose its visibility on the Wi-Fi settings. So we can enable or disable that. I will leave that disabled. You can enable support Wi-Fi 6 standard, and some devices aren't compatible with this standard and may experience connection problems. You can enable that if you have other Samsung devices or any device that supports this Wi-Fi 6. It should increase and improve the overall connection. Power saving mode, you can enable that if you want to save your battery on the phone. But if you want it to work as a mobile network for multiple devices for a longer period of times, I would enable that. If not, I would leave it disabled because it affects the performance of your network. Wi-Fi sharing, you can share your Wi-Fi like if you're connected to other mobile router that is connected by Wi-Fi, you can share that network instead of your mobile data in this hotspot. So now if we've set everything in our settings, we can press save to make sure that the settings are enabled. Now let's move to the last option in here, and it will be auto hotspot. And what it does, it's a Samsung function, and if you enable that, you'll be able to log into your Samsung account, and it will help you with connecting other Samsung devices that are logged in to your Samsung to this same account. So it's just live improvement, let's say, for your hotspot. Now if we go back, we have 3 different options for connecting our hotspot, and you can do it via Bluetooth if you enable that. You can use your phone as USB Wi-Fi for your USB connected network for your computer, for example, or you can just connect Ethernet tethering. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.